So we have checked out the expensive Z690 boards and the 12th Gen Core i9 CPUs, but today we have something from MSI and Intel that is going to make things more affordable for gamers. So let's open this box that we got from MSI, and the first thing we have is their new Mac B660M Mortar Wi-Fi motherboard. This is on Intel's new B660 platform, which is more affordable than their Z690 chipset, so it has some differences like the main PCIe slot for your GPU here being PCIe Gen 4 instead of Gen 5 on the Z690. This is actually totally cool because we don't even have Gen 5 graphics cards yet, so it actually makes sense to reduce the pricing by not including features that are not going to help, at least for now. The other features of this M80X motherboard are really nice. The I/O cover is pre-installed, the metal heatsinks are really chunky and they look great in this silver and black theme. We also have some nice features like 2.5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6E and a 20 gigabit USB 3.2 port. But now let's further explore the package, and we have two 16GB sticks of Fury DDR5 RAM from Kingston. This runs at 5200 megatransfers per second and the heatsinks on this RAM do look really nice. We are also going to have a DDR4 version of this motherboard, which might make more sense if you are looking to build PC on a budget. Finally, we get to the new CPU that has been released by Intel today, and it is the 12th generation Core i5-12400, which is a 6-core 12-thread processor, and this is probably the new best budget CPU for gaming because with its core configuration of 6 performance cores without any efficiency cores, Intel is able to deliver amazing gaming performance while keeping the price very low. So I will be building a PC with all of these new things very soon. Thumbs up if you liked the video and let me know your expectations with this new lineup in the comment section.